We'll go ahead and pull it out and go straight up into that light with it, Cory. Come on, be whole.
Oh, it's got some pressure on it, huh?
Yeah. Come on, baby. All right, folks, we back over on the ridge in Louisiana today. Mike and I, and of course, it's Heartbreaker Relics. Got Cory down in here with us, and we've been here about 2.5 hours. And I think we got something in the wall right here. Definitely a base. Yeah, ain't got much light on it, so we'll go ahead and pull it out and go straight up into that light with it, Cory. Come on, be whole.
Oh, it's got some pressure on it, huh?
Yeah. Come on, baby.
Oh God, gosh! God, dog, that's another one of them.
Just like
that. Late Archaic corner knot.
Oh my God.
Where's your water bottle, Randy?
Oh, it's inside of my thing. Let me get back in Cory's hand.
Congratulations, Cory.
Give me some of that right there. That right there is sweet. Look at the work on that thing. Oh my gosh. We're gonna get I'm gonna turn the camera off for a second. We're gonna get some water on it. Folks, this is by the way, this is Cory's first point ever, and what a way to start it off.
Yeah, much of a corner notch, but I think
that's
what
a barb.
it is.
That's a
late Archaic barb, yeah. Late Archaic barb.
That's just like one Zach found.
Man,
look at that! My gosh.
Congratulations, Cory, on your first one.
That tickled me. That's absolutely awesome. Look up there, give me a good smile on that. That'll work. Good deal. Well, folks, hopefully that's a sign of things to come, because we've been digging for, like I said, about 2 hours or better.
All right, Randy just woke me up to tell me he's got something.
Literally, I just woke
He just woke me up. I was asleep under the four-wheeler. I'm going back there if we can figure out what this is. Ow, that's a sticker. All right, let's see how close I can get. Oh!
See it right there?
Yeah, let me get around here without the sun in me. Say hello. All right, let's see.
Can you see it?
Yeah, I see it. Look like
Like I said, it looks like the base of a Gary or something.
rock or a drill.
Looks like it might be a drill. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
It is a drill.
Yeah, nice little.
And it's a hole drill.
Yeah.
A hole drill.
A hole drill.
Oh, I'll be dang.
We were just talking this morning.
It sure is. I thought it was a base. It looked like a little base off a Gary or something. Get a picture of that. Not run that puppy through the car wash. Get her cleaned up.
Get out of the sun, out of the shade there. Hey,
Right there. Right there. Well, that's 2 artifacts in 8 hours.
Yeah. My bed's calling me back over here. I gave out.
Well, if there's a drill there, maybe it'll be something else.
Yep.
Yeah, we'll spray that one while it's in there.
They win. Randy?
Yeah, go ahead.
Let's pull it, because can't tell if it's broke or not. Oh, it's whole. Oh, got a tip ding. Son of a
Hey,
gun.
we'll take that. Look at that gray stuff.
Yeah, that's unusual. It's pink on that side.
Look at Cory coming out here on his first trip, killing it.
Yeah.
That's 2 artifacts in about a minute.
Yeah. You said that's the way it would happen, Randy.
Yep. Good deal. Right there. Boom. Hey everybody, got something we want to share with y'all real quick. Something a lot of you may not have seen before. Look right down here. This, it's not a snake. It's a what's called a glass lizard. I'm trying not to handle him too much because he will break on us. Get him right here and get him calm down. Hold up, little fella.
Well, he's hard to get in the camera.
Alright, we're gonna get him still. Anyway, call him a glass lizard. He's not a snake. You can look at his eyes. They actually have closable eyelids. The jaw's different than on a snake. If you look real close, we'll try to get a picture of him later on. He's got external ear openings. You can see little holes right there. I don't know if Spike's getting him in there.
Let's see.
But here we go. Anyway, call it a glass lizard because from about right where my thumb is back is tail, and they got some plates in there down the vertebrae. I think it's 4 to 6 of them, and when something gets him, possum, snake, or whatever, let's put him in here real quick, hurts himself, that he'll break off. Those osteo plates will break off, and whatever's got a hold of him end up with a wriggling piece of tail, and he'll take on off. Of course, he don't have legs. They also call it a legless lizard, but a lot of people end up killing them thinking they got a snake in the yard, but it is just a lizard. But thought it was kind of cool. We wanted to share that with you. If you get a chance, want to know more about them, just Google them. There's a glass lizard. I think this is an eastern species. They will get up to about 3 foot long. So that's about it. Take care.
All right, I don't know how long. I've been asleep, so I don't know.
About an hour.
About an hour. So Randy got something else on his battery showing low again. Oh,
Maybe.
it may be just a big red flake. Well, y'all gonna see it anyway.
Yeah, whatever it is.
Ooh! 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 Glad we filmed that. I thought it was a piece of junk.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Let me get some. Well, that didn't help. I'm gonna dig right there. I may have knocked that off with the shovel. I don't think so.
I don't think, no, I'm pretty sure that's from looking from that angle.
Yeah, it looks like it broke off right there.
That's why I'm thinking it looked like it was notched like an Evans. Now, I have seen pictures of Evans with only one notch. Let me get a picture. Hold it in your hand. Yeah, I had turned the camera off, so I had to start back over. That's nice, Randy.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Yeah, bump.
I might find one day if
you wake up.
If I wake up, it jumps up there in that chair. Randy's been saying all day it's a game of inches. Let me get up where I can show y'all. He's been coming out here with the weed eater and cutting us a spot in here to dig, and he had dug his square, and that was his line right through here. So where was that there, Randy?
Right through here,
right
my
there.
line. And I came back over and I said, well, I'm gonna dig a little bit bigger. And when I come back around digging my squares out, that's where I
That's it is, about 2 or 3 inches off of
if
where
I
his
had just
line
kept
was.
on this line, I'd have missed that by 2 inches. That would have